Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Master Part 10. Let's go directly to our quiz. Offsprings have a combo of parent traits. Genetic recombination. Tetrads align at the center of the cell and spindle fibers attached to the sister chromatids. Metaphase 1. Chromosomes separate randomly to different sides of the cell, causing more genetic recombination. Independent assortment. Tetrad breaks apart and homologous chromosomes separate. Anaphase 1. Same as mitosis, prophase. Prophase 2. Nuclear membrane forms again and spindle fibers disassemble. Then the cell undergoes cytokinesis. Telophase 1 and cytokinesis in meiosis. Same as metaphase, anaphase, and telophase in mitosis. Metaphase, anaphase, and telophase 2. Meiosis produces how many haploid daughter cells? Four. Double helix. DNA. Single strand. RNA. Where is DNA located? nucleus. What is a gene? A section of DNA that codes for a protein and represents a unit of hereditary. What is RNA's job? Transports the genetic information in DNA to ribosomes, which synthesizes proteins. Where is RNA found? Cytoplasm and ribosomes. What are the three basic components of nucleic acids? Nitrogenous base, 5 carbon sugars, and a phosphate group. What are the different bases of DNA? Cytosine, guanine, adenine, and thymine. Cytosine pairs with guanine. Adenine pairs with thymine. What are hydrogen bonds? Form between nitrogenous bases of each strand, holding them together. DNA from any cell of all organisms should have 1-to-1 ratio base pair rule of pyrimidine and purine bases, and more specifically that the amount of guanine is equal to cytosine and the amount of adenine is equal to thymine. Chagafa's rule. When and where does DNA replication occur? S phase in the nucleus. Method of replication that implies that each new strand of DNA is half original and half new. Semi-conservative. Dear friends, thank you for trying out Biology Master Part 10. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye-bye for now.